Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you are doing great. I would like to say something about my daily activities. First of all, I get up early in the morning and brush my teeth and take ablution very carefully and freshen up myself. Then I go. Then I pay my. Then I perform my Fajr prayer with great attention. I go to mosque. After finishing my prayer, I go to exercise about 30 minutes and come back my home and take bath. Take bath. Then I take my breakfast and in a short time I prepare go to English fantasy. Then I go to English fantasy and sometimes read English newspaper. Then I go to my class and my class is 12:30. Then finish then classmate break time and take lunch. Then I go to class again and finish it at class 4:30. Then after finishing my class I go to home and prepare and freshen up myself, take ablution and perform Asr prayer. Then I go to outside and then I come back my home. Then I read books and prepare my homework. Prepare my homework at 9 p.m. Then I take ablution and perform Isha prayer and I go to bed. Go to bed at 10 p.m. I watch English movies, cartoons, and English novels. Then I have a sound sleep. Thank you very much. And it is my first time in front of camera, so I have lot of mistakes. Pardon me, everyone. Thank you.